ఓం నమో వెంకటేశాయ. Welcome to Bharatiya Vijnana Dhara, a program on ancient Indian knowledge systems being offered by Sri Venkateswara Vedic University, Tirupati. Now we are going to know about various sources of scientific thoughts and scientific literature in our ancient Indian knowledge system. As we have been learning through many episodes, all the Shastras which were offered in our ancient times are of two types as Shasana Shastra and Shamsana Shastras. Shasana Shastra is nothing but the Vedas and Shamsana Shastras are mundane sciences. To this extent we know. And all these mundane sciences again have their roots in the Vedas. That's why these mundane sciences are categorized to be having 5 sources in the Sanskrit literature. Is the Veda in the form of seed, the source for every branch of scientific knowledge can be traced out in the Vedas in one Sukta or the other. Next, to speak about independent treatises about the scientific content of any branch of or any discipline of knowledge, we can have a good number of independent treatises dealing with lot many sciences. Thirdly, we have scientific content in the Puranas and Itihasas. In the 18 Mahapuranas, 18 Upapuranas and also in the 18 Aupapuranas as well as in the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. To count in the order, in the 4th section, that is in the Kavya literature also, we have a very frequent references to different sciences. Finally, the 5th source of scientific literature in ancient times was interdisciplinary presentation or interdisciplinary references. In this manner, these are the 5 sources of every science. For instance, if we take mathematics, in the mathematics in ancient times, particularly 5 branches of mathematics can be traced out. First one is arithmetic. The second one is Bejaganitam or algebra. The third one is geometry or Rekhaganitam. The fourth one is Trigonometry or Goliya Trigonometry, trigonometry and spherical trigonometry. And the fifth one is binomial theory of the modern system, which was in the modern times called Pascal system. The same in ancient times was known as Pingalanaga's Varnameru system. In this manner, the sources of all these branches can be traced out in various sections of our ancient Indian knowledge systems. For instance, if we take Shukla Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, Shatapatha Brahmana and Shulva Sutras, very astonishingly, very interestingly, we can have the sources of arithmetic in the Shukla Yajurveda and Krishna Yajurveda, particularly in the Namakam and Chamakam. In the Chamakam, 2 and its multiples, 3 and its multiples, 4 and its multiples. Like this, multiplication process is available in Chamakam. After this, in Atharva Veda and other places, particularly in the Shatapatha Brahmana also, we have counting techniques. So, this is one aspect. And in the Sulba Sutras, we have the references to Rekha Ganita or geometry. This geometry was used in Shulva Sutras to measure the Yajnashala and Homagunda preparation, etc. For constructing different altars, some bricks of different shapes were used. Rectangular bricks, square bricks, and different types of other sizes and shapes were used. So, in this manner, Rekha Ganitam was used in the Shulba Sutras. Sulbam means a thread, a measuring tape. With the tape measuring the length and breadth of the Yajnashala and using Rekha Ganita structuring different altars, etc. This was the main content of Shulba Sutras. Hence, these are all purely sources of Rekha Ganita. This is the first section of sources. Second section is independent treatises. We know right from Aryabhatta to the modern times, particularly in the Kerala system of astronomy, we have voluminous texts which are dealing with different mathematical sources and calculations. In the Siddhanta Shiromani of Bhaskaracharya, we have very interestingly 4 sections with 5 types of mathematics. In the first section, we have Ankaganitam. This Ankaganitam is nothing but arithmetic. The second one is Bejaganita. Here by the modern scholars, the Bejaganita part of Siddhanta Shiromani of Bhaskaracharya is considered as algebra, but it is more than algebra. The reason is, the Bejaganita part of this great treatise not only deals with the content which is available in algebra, beyond that, this speaks about from the source of the universe counting to the individuals and particulars. In such a way, Bejaganita gives lot of information about from single to multiplication and from many to single. As far as independent treatises related to mathematics are concerned, we can take one example, that is from Siddhanta Shiromani. This Siddhanta Shiromani was written by Bhaskaracharya. In this, we have 5 sections of mathematics. First one is Ankaganitam. The second one is algebra, otherwise called Bejaganitam. This Bejaganitam not only covers the algebra part of modern times, but also it speaks about the source of the universe too. Hence, the Bejaganita is vaster than modern algebra. Thirdly, trigonometry, trigonometry, to count or to calculate the height from the earth to the moon or from the earth to the sun, etc., we need the help of trigonometry, which is known as trigonometry in the modern times. Similarly, Goliya trigonometry. Goliya trigonometry is spherical trigonometry which helps to calculate the formation of seasons and the movements of earth, moon and other planets. So, this is the section known as spherical trigonometry or Goliya trigonometry. These are the 4 parts. And after that, Rekha Ganita also has its role to be explained in the astronomical texts. This is about independent treatises on mathematics. Next to say about is references found in Puranas and Itihasas. In 18 Puranas and also in Itihasas, particularly in the aspect of calculating time, we have wonderful importance to the mathematics. In the Kshana to Yuga, Mahayuga, Parartha and all parts of time, we have the importance of mathematics. So, in the Puranas we have. Similarly, in the Mahabharata, we have reference to the Akshaonis. In the account of Akshauhinis, they have in a wonderful manner presented the importance of arithmetic in a very pleasing manner. So this is about Om Namo Venkateshaya.